gagawin yun? Wala nga akong oras, di ba? You know, mental health. Lagi ka nag-iisip kasi nanay ako eh. Feeling ko is always like the doubt, is it enough? Like yung nabibigay kong time, nabibigay kong effort para sa mga anak ko. Especially pag babae ka, na negosyante ka, parang dapat priority mo yung bahay, pamilya, ganyan. Yung iba sasabihin parang strike a balance. You should be able to balance your work and personal or private life. So I think sa akin, na-overcome ko siya when I realized that there's really no point in searching for that balance but juggling priorities. And then I also talk to my children that I cannot be like other mothers na pwede ko silang antayin maghapon kasi pupunta ako ng store, pupunta ako ng opisina. I think it's really about juggling priorities. Alam niyo kung ano yung priority ngayon, live in the present time and don't be bothered by what other people are saying. Focus on your health so that you can serve your loved ones. Yung loved ones ko na yun, syempre ay yung family ko.